You've heard the word algorithm a million times, but in AI it has a very specific meaning and it's way less scary than it sounds. Here's the simplest way to think about it. An algorithm is just a step-by-step procedure that tells a computer how to learn from data. That's it. A recipe. A set of instructions. The machine follows them, looks at your data, and figures out a pattern. Different algorithms learn in different ways, kind of like how different people study differently. Some people highlight everything, some make flashcards, some just reread the chapter. Same goal, different methods. Let me give you two real ones. The first one is linear regression. This one draws the best fit line through a cloud of data points. If you want to predict house prices based on square footage, linear regression finds the line that fits all of your examples best. Simple, fast, powerful. The second one is decision trees. This one asks a series of yes or no questions to narrow down an answer. Is the email longer than 100 words? Does it contain the word urgent? Does it have an attachment? Each answer sends you down a different branch until you land on a prediction. Here's why this matters. Choosing the right algorithm for your data is one of the core skills in machine learning. Different problems call for different tools, and knowing which to reach for is what separates a good machine learning engineer from a great one. Follow along. Next up, we're going deeper into how machines actually learn. And drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.